natin, area is equal to length times width. So in factoring, given ang ating area, ito yung ating unknown. Okay? But in multiplication of rational expression, ito yung given and the area is our unknown. Kasi i-multiply natin yung length and width. So that is a simple example of real-world scenario that wherein we can apply rational expressions. Another example, Andrew is rushing to catch his school bus on Monday morning. His running speed is represented by expression a squared minus 2a minus 8 over a plus 1 meters per second, while time it took him to run from his school to the school bus is expressed as a plus 1 over a minus 4. What expression gives the distance that Andrew covered from his house to school? Okay, so in your science, diba, we have so that the distance is equal to your speed times the time. Okay, diga. Tama ba ako? Kasi diba galing sa speed is equal to your d over t. Basta ganun ata yun. Okay, but then the formula in getting the distance is the product of your, what you call this, the speed and your time. So given the speed and the time, our distance is our unknown. So that we can use multiplication of rational expression here. Okay, so same procedure. We have on the first problem, we are going to find for the given. So the given are, sabi ko sa inyo lagi, don't forget to complete your answer. So let's have the first one. What is our given? Could you please identify our given?
X squared plus 3x over x squared minus 1.
Okay, so isa-isay natin. X squared plus 3x over x squared minus 1 meters. So this is our
length.
Okay, length. Next one.
X squared minus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus x minus 12.
It is the width.
Okay, it is our width. And what is our unknown? So based on the given problem, what is our unknown, Raven? Gian, Raven? Ano sa Raven? Althea? Althea? Wala.
Minsan na nga pong page nun.
Page 41, example number 2. Could you please give me the, what is the unknown? Yes, Thea.
Area of a rectangular pool.
Okay, so we are going to find for the area of the rectangular pool.
Yes.
Yes?
Naglalag daw po si Raven.
Okay,
Sinend
sige.
niya po sa GC namin.
Okay, sige, noted. So, I'll check that. Okay, so the area of the rectangular pool. And we are going to solve for this. So we are going to use multiplication of rational expressions. So we have x squared plus 3x over x squared minus 1 times
X squared minus 3x minus 4 over
4
x squared
over
minus
x squared
x
minus 12. Okay, so this is our, because our formula is equal to area, is equivalent to the length times width. Yes, Janet?
Miss, pwede ka pong pakapalan po ng konti, di ko po.
Ba sa inyo?
Hindi ata po mabasa dahil masyado pong manipis.
Pag kasi pag makapal naman siya, nagdadat. Wait, check natin. Okay, so let's have this one. X squared plus 3x. So could you please give me the factors of x squared plus 3x?
X minus
Yes. I think Althea is...
X minus 3x po.
Ito. X squared plus 3x. Factor. By greatest common factor, what are the factors?
X,
X,
open parenthesis, X minus 3 close parenthesis.
minus ba?
Plus po pala. Plus.
Akala ko sinagamali ako ng ano. Okay, X. Okay na ba? Ang kanyang makapal na siya?
Opo. Ano
Okay.
po?
Okay, sige. Then, how about our denominator?
X plus 1. X
X
minus
plus
1.
1 times X minus 1. Can you follow? Ikaw hindi mo kasunod, mag-raise lang ng hand ha? Yes, Pam.
May I go to the bathroom, my stomach hurts.
Okay, sure. Next, multiply by... What are the factors of our numerator?
X minus 4.
X minus 4,
In parentheses, X plus 1.
X plus 1. So again, this is on general quadratic trinomial. So again, your last term is negative 4. Get the factors of negative 4. When you add it up, your answer is our middle term. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Then over. So what are the factors of our denominator?
X minus
Minus
4.
4.
X plus 3.
Okay, x plus 3. Same. This is quadratic trinomial also. Okay, we have negative 4 times 3. We have negative 12. And negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So then proceed to cancellation. Alin ang ika-cancel natin?
X
X
plus
plus
3.
3.
Okay, x plus 3 and x plus 3. Another one.
X plus
X
1.
Plus 1.
X plus 1, nasan siya? X plus 1 and x plus 1.
X minus 4.
X minus 4 and x minus 4. Then we rewrite, or we get the remaining factors. What are the remaining factors?
X over X
X over X1. X
X
minus 1.
minus 1. This is now your final answer. So that means that the area is equal to x over x minus 1 meter square. Yes, Tiffany.
Pwede po paulit-ulit kung paano nakuha po yung X for X times X1 over X.
Ito. This one, ito. Ito ba?
Opo, yan po.
Okay. So, ulitin natin. So, dito siya nanggaling, okay? So, we have x squared minus 3x minus 4. Again, this is on general quadratic trinomial. So, paano ulit pina-factor and general quadratic trinomial? So, you get the factors of your last term. What is your last term?
4.
Not 4, not 4. That is negative 4. Huwag kalimutan yung sign. So, negative 4. So, you get the factors of negative 4. Tandaan yun ha. Factors ng last term. Wherein, kapag tinad mo, the answer is your middle term. What is your middle term?
Negative 3x.
Okay, negative 3. So, ano-ano yung factors ng negative 4? Pwede mo siyang ilista or ilist down na kapag tinad mo, ang magiging sum ay negative 3. Kaya ang naging answer dyan ay negative 4 and positive 1. So, negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Kaya kapag pinactor mo siya, the answer is yung the square root of your first term. You have x, and then you get the factor of negative 4. That is negative 4 and 1. Yes, Tiffany?
Naglag daw po ang PC ni Riel.
Ano na?
Kanina pa yung Tiffany.
Sige, noted.
Hindi.
Noted ko lang.
Nag-message sa akin.
Sabihin mo
Bago
noted.
po.
Okay, sige. Same as sa ating denominator. So, same procedure. Quadratic trinomial. So, you get the factors of negative 12. That is negative 4 and 3. So, when you add up negative 4 and 3, that is equivalent to negative 1. So, the factors are x minus 4 and x plus 3. Okay? Okay na? So, kung hindi pa, you can go back to our lesson on general quadratic trinomial. So, our answer is x over, so ito yung ating final answer, x over x minus 1 meter square. So, this is the area of the rectangular hole. Any have question?
None.
Okay, so same as with example number 2. So you have to get the distance. So just multiply the given speed and the given time. Okay. So, next one is on division of rational expression. So bakit sinunod ko agad yung division on rational expression? This is somehow the same as with multiplication of rational expression. The only difference is that, so on the step, yung number 1, yun lang yung on page 42, please, of your textbook. So kung mapapansin niyo, there are also steps in dividing rational expressions. So kung wala kayong questions in multiplying rational expression, mas madali ang division of rational expressions. Why? Because the only difference is that you replace the divisor with its reciprocal. What do we mean by its reciprocal?
When you flip the fraction.
Flip. If you flip daw, if you flip. If you flip. Ano Tagalog sa if you flip? Babalik ka din. In Tagalog, ilang babalik ka din. When we say reciprocal in a fraction, so for example, we have 1/2. What is the reciprocal of 1/2?
2 over 1.
Okay, so that is 2 over 1. How about the reciprocal of 4 over 8?
8 over 4.
Over 4.
8 over 4. Meaning to say, yung ating numerator, dadalhin natin sa denominator, at yung ating denominator magiging numerator. And this is applicable on the divisor. So, ano ba yung divisor?
The second one.
Okay, the second one. In this example, so we have 10b We have 10d over 11 divided by 20. So this is our example of division on rational expression. So sabi dito, replace the divisor with its reciprocal. So we retain our dividend, which is 10d over 11. So retain, we write as it is. Then multiply by, if this is division, your divisor would be the reciprocal and then proceed to multiplication. So yun lang yung pagkakaiba ng multiplication and division of rational expression. Then same procedure. Then proceed to multiplication of rational expression. So we have here, since this is 20, this is also equivalent to 20 over 1. So ang ating magiging second factor is 1 over 20. Babalik na rin natin, sabi namin pag-flip. So yung 20 over 1, magiging 1 over 20, and then proceed sa multiplication. So papalitan natin ang sign, from division, magiging siya multiplication. And then, same procedure. So 10d over 11 times 1 over 20. So how are we going to multiply this? Get the common factor of 10 and 20. What are the common factor of 10 and 20?
5 or 10.
10. Okay, 10. So we have 10. So cancel out 10 and 20. So 10 divided by 10?
1.
1. 20 divided by 10?
2.
Okay, 2. Then the remaining factor, so we have 1 times 1. So 1d, sorry. So we have 1d, so we have d. Okay, ang pinansin lang natin is 10 and 20. So the remaining factor ay 1 at d. And also sa second factor is 1. So 1 times d times 1 is equal to 1d, or simply d. Then we have 11 times 2 is
22.
22. So the final answer is d over 22. So again, in division of rational expression, uulitin ko. The first one is replace the divisor with its reciprocal, and then change the operation to multiplication. So ito lang yung papalitan natin and yung ating sign. Then multiplication ulit. Question?
Si Emro po sa chat. Ang sabi
Yes.
niya po, Miss, how did you get 22 po?
Anyone who can answer that?
11 times
Yes, Angela.
11 times 2.
Okay, so 11 times 2, Emro. So 11, the denominator of our first factor, times 2. So bakit ito ay 2 na lang?
Divided by 10.
Okay, divided by 10. So we get the GCF of 10 and 20 so that we can cancel out. So 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 20 divided by 10 is 2. Kaya 2 na lang yung ating natira dito sa denominator. Therefore, 11 times 2 is equal to 22.
May question po ulit si Emro. Why not use 1 po?
Why not use 1? Dito? Okay, so kung dito sa numerator, why not use 1? Anyone? Sa inyo? Classmate ulit sasagot kasi alam nila kung bakit hindi susunod mo.